Here, here, that's better. Just wait until a couple guys come in there. You watching? Hi, Ground Level Customs. How are you doing today? Yeah, do another little video before I go to work. I work nights, so I promised somebody I'd do this. How to. It's probably going to be about 20 videos altogether from beginning to the end. Did you watch the other videos, Ground Level Customs? Because this is number 4 now. Can you hear me? Well, there's 3 watching, but there's only one in the chat at the moment. I had to clean this freaking hobby area. So can you hear me, Ground Level Customs? Just waiting for a couple more guys to come in this room before I start. I don't want to start too late because I got to go to work in a couple hours. So, but sorry. But anybody else here? I see there's 5 people watching. So. Yeah, I can hear you. Just had a phone call, but back now. Okay. Hey, John, it's been a minute. Oh, yeah, Butch. We gotta stop meeting this way. Hi, Rambler. Hi, Tom. I mean. Anyways, let's get started. As you can see, down here, through the lines for the frame in red. You probably can see that a lot better. So what I did is I kicked up these bars because I'm going to run the headers underneath the floorboards. But Ben Carpenter asked me to do this how-to video. I've been putting it off. So when you run the headers underneath the floor, you gotta put up these bars a little bit What I do is I just put this underneath, like so, to raise this up. I tape this down so this is flat, and then I raise this up so that way you can put the bar up a little bit at an angle. It's probably about, I don't know, 7 degrees, 10 degrees, I guess. But that way the headers will run right underneath. As you can see, I did the center line for the rear axle. And I did the center line for the front wheels. And that's where the A-arms are gonna, the transmission. And this is for the drive shaft. And right here is the center point where you bend for the arches for your tubs. So you go pretty well center like that. And that's where the bend is going to go. Up like that, and then down, and then across the back panel like this. The drawing is not that great, but I'm not a professional artist or whatever. So, but as you can see, the frame fits snug right in the body. So, but my next video, I'll be making the firewall, and then the bars that come across here and down, and then hopefully have the back part done. I'm not sure yet. It all depends how time goes. But can you guys see these drawing a lot better? But if Ben Carpenter is watching this video, these kick up bars, don't do that, because you're going to put zoomies on your Chevelle or whatever. You don't. These have to be flat like the back ones. And what you do is you just measure from this end to this end, and then you make the bar across. And it's about 15 millimeters between the main frame. And is up. You're getting a spinning wheel of death here. Is the guy still getting the spinning wheel? I don't see it now. Is it okay now? Okay. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that, because I do have high speed internet. But can you guys see the drawing a lot better now? Can you guys see that red for the frame? Okay, is it a lot clearer now, Tom? Because a lot of people were complaining because it was in black pencil, that they couldn't see the drawing itself. But can you see it a lot better now? Okay, good. Good to know. So when I load this up, is it gonna be, you know, the wheel of death? Okay, thanks, ground and levels up customs. So do you guys understand what I just explained? So where is it? This mark here, this mark here is where the kick up bars start, and that's the bottom picture. And this is the where it bends, and then it bends down and then across. Sometimes it cuts out. Oh, I don't know what the problem is. But as you can see, the frame does fit. See? And the center lines are very important, you know, for your rear axle, your front end. So that way you got everything lined up. That's why I like putting on graph paper. Yeah. I'm a little bit rusty, ground level customs. It's been a while since I've scratch built fully a chassis. I did once for Bill Jenkins' car. And this is the rod I use. It's 1/16" rod, number 222. But you guys should try this with wax paper. The glue won't stick to it. I'd rather do the scratch building of the chassis than the wiring, to be honest with you. My eyes don't work too well with oh, I got clear on my 66 Suburban. See. I got decals made for it. I'm gonna put them on tomorrow. You guys saw the bike. Here's a drag bike. And it goes in the back of here. Like that. Yeah, that's for me and Butch are the last ones to build for the Chevy truck month. Me and Butch like to take it the next step over. And here's the here's the dashboard. Yeah. Butch, I think our problem was we didn't eat enough carrots when we were growing up. That's what they say anyways. But that's a dashboard anyways. And I made the steering column loop. I made a steering column for it. Now I just have to find a good steering wheel for it. So you guys have got any questions on this? Hey, Spunky, welcome. And I'm still waiting for a kit to come from the States. I guess it's coming from China. I don't know. Maybe Pony Express or something, I guess. Oh no, I measure everything out ground level customs. This is all not freehand. It's all yeah, dreamland. I think personally, I think that guy should have a dunce cap. I really do. Yeah, that 66 Suburban is painted with full card paint. I don't know if you guys knew that. I like this webcam. It seems like it's working a lot better than my last one, I tell you. So guys, I hate to let you guys go, but duty calls. I've got to go to work in, oh, probably in another 2 hours or so. So is there any questions about this frame buildup, or I'll wait until there's any questions, because I don't want you guys to be in the dark because you don't understand what's going on or whatever. So you guys understand everything that's going on with this buildup, or I know Butch would, because he builds pretty well the same thing. Yeah, it's probably Aaron. Aaron's not in here. Usually he shows up. I tried to PM him, but he doesn't have PM on his YouTube channel. So still trying to figure out what a frame is. Well, guys, if there's no questions about what's going on, I hate to say goodbye, but like duty calls, somebody's got to pay the bills here. So, anyways, thanks for showing up, guys, and we'll talk to you later. Bye for now.